Hello YouTube, my name is Colin Visser, and this is my first devlog for my game Townsville. I have made these games. I participated in 5 game jams so far. The recent one was the GMTK 2021. The theme was Join Together. My brain immediately used Join Together as factory automation or machines working together. This comes about from my background of being in the automotive industry on the assembly lines. So that's how I got to this idea of things working together. But somehow my brain thought, no, we must make a city builder. So we ended up creating a 2D side-scrolling city builder with the idea that the different buildings work together to stop the enemies from killing the townsfolk. I also had this idea that the townsfolk are linked together with the enemies, so they are one and the same. Or more importantly, if you're doing harm to the enemies, you're also harming your townspeople, and you got to keep that balance together. And in my head, that's how I thought Join Together would. So that's where Townsville got created. So what is Townsville about? Townsville is a 2D side-scrolling city builder where you need to survive multiple waves of enemies. Games like Kingdom of Two Crowns and Rotopolis come to mind. The thing that separates Townsville is this fact that there is this interjoining between what the townsfolk need to do to survive and what they are doing to the enemies. The idea is as the enemies become stronger and stronger, so your fighters need to become more stronger. For them to become stronger, they need to mutate. The problem is if you mutate too far, then they become the enemy of the town, and you'll get overrun by the very townspeople that you are there to protect. If this sounds interesting to you, please stick around. This devlog is to keep me honest. I want to have a visual record of what has happened in the game and what is still going to happen. I tend to get sidetracked a lot, so it is very important that I have something that I can sort of go back to and say, we were here, now we're the next step. To help improve this even more, I'm using a product called Codec. It's not a sponsored video. I'm using Codec as a Kanban management system. I'm sure you will know about Trello. I use Trello on a daily basis to manage my other projects, and I thought that it would be nice to try a different product. As you can see, we have quite a few cards. The idea is we've broken it down into milestones. So version 1.0 is going to be released on the 17th. Version 2.0 is going to be released 16th August 2021. The 15th of September will be the last milestone, and that will be released onto Bolt, Newgrounds, and whatever other websites we can find. Comment below if you've got any other websites that you know of. As you can see here, there is quite a lot that we still need to do for July 17th, 2021. It is unlikely that we're going to get everything done within the next week, but we are going to give it our best shot. It'll probably end up being almost a game jam weekend next weekend. So what did we achieve this last week and for the last 2 weeks? We finally have a windscreen, we have some sounds in the game, and we have fixed a lot of little bugs that were picked up while the game jam was running. Thank you for listening.